Hello dear YouTube subscribers, friends, dancers. My name is Tevec and welcome to this belly dance workout all about chest shimmies, layering and having fun. Welcome! Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more belly dance goodness and videos and shows, and let's have fun and work out today with this lovely 5-minute chest shimmy workout with 5 different moves. 5 moves in 5 minutes. Let's go! Okay, so this video is not going to teach you how to do the chest shimmy. I've already got a video and tutorial for that. I'll link it below so you can go and practice the technique in your own time. Today we're actually going to do a workout, so let's get started. 5 moves. We're going to start with a count of 8, chest shimmy. Here we go. Get that shimmy, chest shimmy moving forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to change. First move, hips stay still. We slide the chest side to side from right across to the left, straight across. That's it. One more. 7, 8. Back to your chest shimmy. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, slide right and left and right and left and 5, 6, 7. Now let's combine it for 8 counts. Combine the both moves. 5, 6. Here we go. Slide, 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 slide. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again for right and left. Straight across and side. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, well done. Now keep that chest shimmy going in the center. Imagine you're holding a stick, so your hands are completely still. They're about ribcage height. That's it, keep them there. Keep the chest shimmy going. And we're going 5, 6, 7, chest move number 2. So take a V shape. Lift up to the right diagonal, back to center. Lift up to the left diagonal, back to center. So imagine you're trying to reach up towards your armpit and you drop back in center every time. So lift and center, lift diagonal and center. 2 more. Good. Last one. And back to your chest shimmy for 8 counts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now V. Lift and center. And lift and center. To the right and center. Lift and up, left and center. Good. Back to your chest shimmy. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now combine them. So lift and center and lift and center. Diagonal right and center. Diagonal left and center. And lift and center. Last one. And good. Keep that chest shimmy going now. That's it. Your arms might start to ache. Your shoulders might start to ache, but it's absolutely fine. Stay with me. And breathe. And inhale. And exhale. Here we go. For 8, and 7, and 6, and 5, and 4, and 3, and 2. Move number 3. Here we go. We're going to lift the chest and drop in center. Again, lift the chest and drop in center. More. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. With your chest. We'll just do the chest now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And chest lift. Lift and drop. And lift and drop. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Now together. Lift and drop. And lift and drop. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Again for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. on, good. Back to your chest shimmy. Good, well done. If you're struggling with these moves, you can always put your hands on your hips when you're doing it, okay, to try and keep your hips still. The idea is that everything below the button is completely still. Good, okay. Right, keep that chest shimmy going. Here we go. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, move number 4. We're changing the accent, so we're now dropping and dropping. So what we're going to do is prepare on the and, drop on the 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, lift, drop, and 7, and 8. Back to your chest shimmy. Okay, so it's really important that we create the accent on the drop. Yes, that's where you're counting 1. And here we go for 5, 6, 7, just the chest, and drop, and drop, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's combine it. 5, 6, 7, combine, and drop, and drop, and drop, and drop. For 5, 6, 7, 8. Again for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You can do it. 2 and 1. Good. Give yourself a little hug. Tuck chin to chest. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, release. We're almost done. Now we're moving on to move 5. Fantastic. So we've done chest slides. That's move 1. We've done the chest V. That's move 2. We've done the chest lift and drop, move 3. And we've also done the chest drop on the accent, which is move number 4. Oh yeah, we're almost there. Move number 5, 5, 5, 5. Here we go. We're gonna chest circle. Again, I have tutorials, so subscribe to my channel to access all of the YouTube tutorials so you know exactly how to do all of the technique behind these moves. You can practice them separately. I'll link below. A final move because we're almost done. Let's get that chest shimmy going, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna circle to the right and lift and left and center. Again, right and lift and left and center, and right and lift and left and center, and right and lift and left, and one more time to the right and circle around. Good. And other way. Let's go left and lift and right and center and left and lift and right and center. Circle 2 more. Last one. Circle the last one. There we go. Well done. How was that? Give yourself a little hug. Tuck your chin to chest. Breathe in. Breathe into the middle of the back of the rib cage here. And exhale. Release. Loop the shoulders back twice. Okay. And take your right ear towards the shoulder. Lift the chin back to center. And again, left ear towards the shoulder. Exhale to release. And back to center. Tuck your chin. Look towards your belly button. Inhale and exhale back to center. Let's recap one last time though. Why not? For fun. Put your favorite music on and you can do this in your own time. Here we go. Open up the arms. We're going to do 8 counts for each move. Straight into it. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and chest shimmy for 8 counts first. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, into the slides, and right, left, 5, 6, 7, into V's, and lift and center, and lift and center, to the right and center, and left and center, to your lift and drop, and lift and drop, for 5, 6, 7, into your drop, 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 for 5, 6, 7, 8. Now circle to the right and go all the way around. 5. Let's do 4 of these. So this is 3 and 4, and reverse to the left and round, circle and round, circle and round. Last one, and you're done. Bravo, 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 bravo. Well done. I'm sending lots of love to you all. I hope you had a good workout. Let me know down below. Come on, let's talk, let's connect. I want to know what you found useful, and if you found this a good workout for the arms and for the chest area and the back. Oh, well done. And if you haven't already, subscribe so we can stay in touch, and I'll be sending more belly dance goodness your way. Lots of love. Mwah. Well done. See? Quick 5-minute workout. Easy peasy.